Hey.
How you doing?
Hey.
Hey. A little sleepy.
You're not sleepy. You're champs.
Yeah, you're right. So, how you doing?
Good.
What?
I was saying it's good. Stop.
You can't see me. I'm like a little midget.
Look, we haven't. Shut your mouth so I can set this video. See, I told you.
Oh, there you go. Sorry, we just having difficulties.
Okay. So how you doing?
How you doing?
Somebody else like your status.
Better not be somebody else. I'm
Oh
like making
my
another one.
goodness.
No, maybe
Alright.
it's a message. Maybe it's a message. I don't know. Alright,
Okay.
so, anyway. Just want to let you know. I like your clothes.
I like your hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Got some nice clothes.
Mhm.
Yeah.
You and your sister.
Yeah. Y'all be on point with y'all outfits.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Your famous saying is "Bye, Miss Trainer," just like that. Just like that. Bye,
Just like
Miss
that.
Trainer.
Just like that.
You sing it. But on Monday, we're gonna say it like this. Bye, Miss Trainer. Trainer. Yeah, can you tell like I'm kind of delirious? And then were we just watching Jersey Shore? Yo, where does this come
Yeah,
on?
how does come on? We watching Jersey. Okay.
Anyway.
Okay. Anyway.
Alright, well, thank you for liking the status.
Seriously. Thank you for like the status.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye. Sorry. Don't get it there. All right. Bye.